iPhone 11 Pro Max is stuck at the surgeon. Phone being dropped before, you can see the crack. The modem firmware is there, but it's stuck at the surgeon. Even it can read the SIM card. It's over there, T-Mobile. So with the multimeter, we're going to test this point for diode motor reading and see if anything like have anywhere in the reading. And come back. So here 2 is no ground, this one here is good. So 2 is no ground, this one good. Then 2 and test this one. You can see here low reading on 2, this one is good, then 2 in this one is good, then 2 in this one. This is the one that it's supposed to have a lower reading, is okay. Then these 2, this one it should be 0.4. So let's see how many ohm in this one. It has 12 ohm. So that one it has 12 ohm. So this point here it should be 0.4. We have 0.0. So if we click to this point here, this is where it's go. Yeah, I think this is. So we have, if we click to that point, we have 2 capacitors here, 2 capacitors here going to this IC, to this IC, to this IC at that point, and 1 capacitor over there. So we're gonna need to figure out which one of that ones is causing the problem. So let's test the resistance in that point here. So now we have 2.6 mega ohm. Is not that 12 ohm. So it should be good to go. So 150 degrees. Yeah, put a little weight in the board. Yeah, to solder all the way. So in about like 160, 165, it should be all melted and soldered. Yeah, I do this, I put the weight in the board if I didn't do the reballing. Because the solder is very tiny, so if it's worked this way is good, if not, I'm gonna have to do all reballing. So yeah, the front section is on, go to general, about. So we have the firmware, the modern firmware version is there. And let me put the SIM card. I'm gonna see if we have the signal. And yes, right there. Yeah, the phone is ready. So that's all for this video. Thank you for watching and see you again.